I'm a Bill O'Reilly viewer. Bill O'Reilly, what a guy. A right-wing blowhard bully to the end. Keith ought to be crucified. I'm a Bill O'Reilly viewer. Bill O'Reilly till I die. Olbermann is too obsessed with stupid facts and figures, so I'm a Bill O'Reilly guy. I'm a Bill O'Reilly viewer. That's because I'm full of hate. I rant and spew to all my bonehead friends stories that he fabricates. I'm a Bill O'Reilly viewer. Bill O'Reilly is the man. People try to sway me with their logic and their reason, but I don't really give a damn.
She was 5'2", 105 pounds, wearing a mini skirt and a halter top with a bare midriff. Now again, there you go. So every predator in the world is going to pick that up at 2 in the morning. She's walking by herself on the West Side Highway, and she gets picked up by a thug. All right? Now she's out of her mind, drunk.
Sick, sorry excuse for a human being.
You know, look, if I could strangle these people and not go to hell and get executed,
You're not gonna do
I would. I'm coming after you. I'm going to hunt you down, and I mean it.
I'm a Bill O'Reilly viewer. All you liberals may laugh, but if I hassle bloggers on the street, I'll get a job on his staff. I'm a Bill O'Reilly viewer. I'm so greedy, vile, and mean. I don't ever let the facts influence my opinions, 'cause I love Bill O'Reilly. Yes, I love Bill O'Reilly. He is the newsman of my dreams.
Bill O'Reilly, today's worst person in the world.